Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fund your Tonkeeper wallet. So the Tonkeeper wallet is obviously the choice from all these popular airdrops who are currently mining on Telegram, the Hamster Kombat and Tapswap. So in order to receive your coins, you need to have a certain amount of Toncoin on your account. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to fund your Tonkeeper wallet to buy Toncoin. So I'm going to the easiest way to do it is to transfer from another exchange. So like transferring from exchanges like Bybit, Kucoin, OKX. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use my Kucoin wallet to transfer. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to open up my Kucoin wallet. And you obviously need to have USDT for you to trade between USDT and Toncoin. So for mine, I'm just going to trade. Okay, so mine is already okay. From here, you select the coin you want to trade, and you select the coin you want to trade. For me, I'm going to search not on Toncoin. Yeah, so this is the Toncoin. So I want to buy Ton. So if you are selling your Ton, you'll be on the sell side. If you are selling Ton to get USDT, but me, I want to buy Ton, and I have like 30.39 USDT. So the USDT has to be on your trading wallet. So for me, once I go to assets, if you have it on your funding wallet, you need to transfer it to the trading wallet before you can trade with it. So mine is already here, and I'll just go ahead with the trade. So for me, I just want this to execute instantly, so I would choose the markets app, and let's see, I'll max out. I want to use everything to buy the Toncoin, so I'll just click on buy. Alright, so once that is placed, if I go back to my Ton wallet, I would see I already have Ton here. And now I need to transfer this Ton to I need to transfer it from Kucoin to my Tonkeeper wallet. And in order to do that, you also need to transfer it from the trading account to your funding account. So I'll just go ahead and do that right away. So from trading to funding, maxing out everything. Yep, so that's that. So next up, I would go back to this funding wallet, and I will need to withdraw. I'll need to withdraw this Ton I just bought from Kucoin to my Tonkeeper wallet. So to do that, I'll just click on this withdraw. And in order to withdraw, I have to paste the address from my Tonkeeper wallet. So I'll show you how to get that in a bit. Alright, so I'm back on my Tonkeeper wallet. So I want to deposit Toncoin to my Tonkeeper wallet. So I would click on the Toncoin, and click on receive. Alright, so this is the address I need to copy. So I'll just go ahead and copy it, and return back to. So it's very important to read the instructions before you send. So for me here, it says send only Toncoin and Ton tokens in Ton network. So the network you choose is very crucial that you don't mess it up, otherwise you may lose your funds. So once I'm back here, I will select the network. So the network is Ton, and I'll paste the address I just copied. There is no memo, so we can just proceed without adding that. But if a memo was provided, you'd also need to paste that here. Alright, so I want to send everything from Kucoin to Tonkeeper. Alright, so the charge is 0.1 Ton, which is not that bad. So this is the charges we're talking about. When you want to withdraw your airdrop, they usually charge a fee of about 0.1 or 0.0 something. So it's good to have Ton on your Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so I will just proceed and withdraw. Okay, so I'll choose I confirm, and I will need to enter my trading password. Okay, so it's submitted, and it's going to take about 3 minutes to complete. So I would pause this video and return back once it's completed. Alright, so I'm back on my Tonkeeper wallet, and as you can see, the funds has been added. So you can confirm that by clicking on this history. And yeah, I received 4.4 Ton worth 29.6 USDT. Okay, so not bad. So that's it. That's that about funding your Tonkeeper wallet. So obviously you can just fund as you can just fund the minimum of $5. It's just important for you to have some amount of Ton in order to withdraw airdrop once they are launched. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and if for more tips on tutorials on how to trade cryptocurrency on popular airdrops, do it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.